This video will demonstrate how to add a timesheet to Alert. Timesheets can be used to track and manage work effort against projects, charge customers for services provided, cost work performed against projects, and generally manage and track time usage of the organisation's workforce. Usually the timesheet employee will default to the employee associated with the system user that has logged on to Alert. However, Alert does have employee access groups that allow employees to view, add, maintain and delete timesheets on behalf of other employees. Refer to the Access Groups tab on the Employee Maintenance form to see what groups an employee is a member of and what groups an employee has inherited permissions from. The employee needs to select the project to record time against. The project's timesheet data capture requirements will then determine what additional timesheet fields are mandatory, time entry increments, default billable status, customer order and other details. A service may or may not need to be selected depending on the project's data capture requirements. An activity description may or may not be needed to be entered depending on the project's data capture requirements also. Hours are then entered. The timesheet record has now been added but not saved. Employees may be able to change timesheet details for each timesheet record, such as if the time is billable or not. Any number of timesheet records may be added. The timesheet may be saved. Alert will prompt the user should they attempt to leave the form without saving the timesheet. The employee will need to post the timesheet for each timesheet record to move to the next stage. The next stage is determined by the timesheet approval process and timesheet approvers that have been defined for each project.